Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload theme in WordPress. It's quite easy. Once you are on your dashboard, here you just need to navigate to this appearance section, and just right here we're gonna click on themes. And once you do that, here you have option for add theme. Just click on that, and yeah, this is the option for upload theme. Just click on that again. Now here we need to choose the file which you wanna upload here, and then once your file explorer opens, you need to navigate to the folder where you have saved your theme. So it would be here in my case. So this is the theme which I have downloaded, so it should be zipped, like you don't need to unzip it. I'll just double click on the file, and you'll see that the zip file is successfully selected. We'll just click on install now, and yeah, you can see that the theme is successfully installed. Now we just get back to appearance again. Alright, this is the theme which we have installed just right now. So we're just gonna click on activate in order to activate it. And yeah, this is pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.